In this video, I'm showing you how to add a download button or any type of animated buttons inside a WordPress post or page. Right now, you are looking at a live button that I have already added to my own website. This button is an affiliate link. So, it's a real working example, not a demo. I will explain how you can create the same kind of buttons without any coding, whether it's a download button, call to action button, or affiliate button. This method works perfectly for blog post, tutorial page, affiliate link, or file downloads. So if you want professional looking animated buttons inside your WordPress content, let's get started. So at first, we have to install a WordPress plugin. So go to the plugin page. Then click on Add Plugin and search Domino Post. You will find this plugin here. In my website, the plugin is already activated. So I'm going to post section. Go to a post where you want to add the button. So I'm clicking on edit. In the post editor section, click on toolbar toggle. So you will find the features of Domino Post. And this is the actual insert download button. For example, I'm going to create a button at this specific place, add the download button. So at first you have to give a button text. Just give a download now button. And in download URL, just provide the URL. I'm using facebook.com for example. And under the button style, you will find three options. I prefer you check one by one. So I'm choosing pulse animation. And the position should be center. Then OK. See, it already started working. So let's update it. Let's check the preview. This button is slowly animating. By using this plugin, you can also use find and replace function, insert table function. You can find the most popular emojis, copy code block, user case fixer. For example, you made a mistake here. Just select the text and under the user case, select uppercase. All text will be converted to uppercase. So this is the video on how to add download button or any type of animated button in WordPress post or any page.